Hey everybody, if you're looking for a carbon monoxide detector that is reliable, check out this 10-year unit. It has a sealed 10-year battery, and we have two of these in our house, one in the basement next to our utility room and one upstairs. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested, but this is something we purchased 4 years ago, and they're going strong. So they have LED lights on the front, a lithium ion battery. You don't need to plug it in, so in case there's a power outage, you don't have to worry about that. It's got a 85 decibel sound or alarm on it, so plenty loud for you. I just pressed the test reset button, so you can see kind of what that sounds like. It's supposed to be an incredibly accurate sensor on here, and yeah, we've got about 6 more years left on the lifespan, and I'll make sure I post another video if there's a problem or anything. But we really like them so far, so thanks so much.